In this video, I will show you how to check your Lebara internet balance in the UK. The most convenient way to check your balance is through the My Lebara mobile app. First, make sure your Lebara SIM card is inserted and active on your phone. Open your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for My Lebara and download the app. Once installed, the app will automatically detect your SIM and plan. Your internet and account balance will be displayed directly on your home screen. Just scroll down to see your detailed balance information. With the My Lebara app, you can also top up your balance, enable auto top up, manage and switch your data plans. Some users prefer texting a specific code to check balance, but the My Lebara app remains the easiest and most user friendly option. If you face issues checking your balance, make sure your SIM card is properly inserted and activated. If not yet activated, you can do it through the app or via Lebara's official website. That's it. In this way, you can check Lebara's internet balance in the UK. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.